Moving on to assignment 10. In a study on hypertension, patients are categorized based on their systolic, pre-hypertension. This is ordinal. Order. Nominal is like color of your eyes. Color of your eyes is white, brown, blue, green. So that is nominal data. Ordinal is in a specific order. Normal, pre-hypertension. This is following an order. Most of you measure central tendencies. Mean. This is extremely important question. Mean, median, mode. These three are measures of central tendency. Range is a measure of dispersion. Range, all of that. So mean is most commonly used. First quartile, 25th, median, 26. This you can calculate. You can add all of them. Okay. 12 plus 26. Okay. Median in the following sample of observations. The following measure is not influenced by extreme values in a data set. Interquartile range. That is why we use it. Interquartile, which of the following does not belong with the others. Mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring value and it is a measure of central tendency. Range, variance, standard deviation, all these are measures of dispersion. Number of children per household is an example of continuous variable. Yes, it is. Discrete or continuous? Just a second. No, it is discrete. Because continuous contains decimals, but discrete variables has whole numbers. So this is false, yes. In a study interested in measuring the cholesterol level is a continuous variable. Yeah, because it is in decimals. What is a mean? Add all of them, then divide, you'll get. Difference between the minimum and maximum value is range. Yeah. Minimum and maximum value. The measure of dispersion except mean. I told you variance, standard deviation, range are measure of dispersion. Mean is measure of central tendency. Which percent is equal to the median? 50, right? All of the following are true for standard except square root of the average of the square deviation of the yes, dispersion, most important one, dispersion, yes, same units, yes. The square of standard, no, the square of the standard is not called mean deviation. Okay. Researcher measures fasting blood growth, the mean blood growth. This is very good. Saraswati Medical College, where I worked previously, I have made this easy to remember. COV, coefficient of variation, is equal to SMC. SMC, Saraswati Medical College. C is college, coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon mean, SD upon mean. Now, so first comes S, Saraswati, standard deviation upon mean. Saraswati Medical College. So our answer will be 10%. Yeah. Standard deviation upon mean into 100 with a percentage sign. Researcher measures the height of 100 school-going children. What type of variable is height? Continuous. It can be in decimals, right? Yeah. Obviously, this 0.7 centimeters, 0.6, right? A chest physician observed the distribution of forced expiratory volume in 100 COPD patient, calculated a median value of 2. The value of first and third quartile was 1.5. Based on this, how many patients a sample is expected to have a FEV? Yes, 50. You know this formula, right? If you don't know the formula, ask me in the comment section, I'll tell you the formula. The average of the absolute deviation of observation from arithmetic mean is known as mean deviation. Yes, it is the average of the absolute. So average is mean deviation. Average of absolute deviations of observation from the arithmetic mean. Then study values are this. What is the mode? Mode is the most frequently occurring value. Here it's 12. For examples of a nominal variable, except age is not a nominal, it is a discrete variable, or it can even be a continuous variable, like 2.5 years is 2.5 years, right? Yeah, so it can be a continuous variable also. Then which are the following true about interquartile range? It covers the middle 50. Yes, true. 25% to 75%, Q1 to Q3. Then when the data is in too many extremes, the most representative, yeah. If too many extreme values, then we will go with most representative average value is median. Most representative average value, but so many extreme values, then we'll go with the median. Yeah. The age of 10 pregnant visited, what is the mean age? 28. Just add and then divide. Which of the following is a relative measure of dispersion when comparing variables which are measured in different units? Coefficient of variation, yeah. Relative measure of dispersion when comparing variables which are measured in different units. Mind you, different units. If different units, then you use coefficient of variation. When obtained by 10, what is the median score? Yeah, 6. Correct. Height of a student particular class measured in centimeter, example of continuous. Yes. With appropriate measure of dispersion to report when median reported as a measure of central tendency. Yeah, interquartile range. If median is there, like median tell you the 50%. So here we use measure of central tendency. Corresponding to that is interquartile range. Yeah. The NCD clinic of primary 5 strength plus the following. Okay, what is the most central tendency? Median. I told you. If you have extreme values, see extreme values, 85, 410, extreme values, we go for median in extreme values. So, yeah, how I got this, you can ask me, I'll tell you. Which of the following about range is true? It indicates the way in which values cluster about a. It is a difference, yeah, minimum and maximum value. True in a survey solution for correctness in the following manner: lower, lower middle, ordinal, order. Again, there is an order. Body weight of 11 for this row, first quartile, median, mean was this. Calculate the interquartile. Q3 minus Q1. Third quartile is 16 and the first quartile is 8.5. So 16 minus 8.5 is equal to 7.5. Okay, bye.